Okay, which is find the runner-up score. Okay, so the problem is, given the participants score sheet for your university sports day, you are required to find the runner-up score. You are given n scores, store them in a list and find the score of the runner-up. Okay, so the runner-up is nothing but you have to sort the list and get the second one, right? Second highest. So the first line contains n, the second line contains an array A of n integers, each separated by a space. Constraint they have given here. In the output format, print the runner-up score. Okay, so suppose the sample output is 5. Okay, so sorry, given list is, suppose the given list is 2 3 6 6 5. Now here the maximum score is 5 and the second maximum is 5, right? So we need the second maximum, the runner-up score. So we will print the 5. Okay, so let's see how to do that. It's very easy. We need to sort it and then find the give the index of the second one. Okay, so array is given and it is taking input in n and then it is mapping splitting all the numbers and then mapping into the array. Now what I have to do, I will take another variable a, and in the a what I want, I will convert this array into list. Okay, so first I will do this, I will pass this array into the set. Why? Because set will give only the unique elements, right? So what we want the second highest. If it's suppose right now here in this example you can see the 6 came 2 times, so 6 is the highest, right? So if we'll not sort, will not remove the duplicates, it will come one by one like 6, then the next number will also be 6 and then the third number will be 5, right? So we can't then we will not able to fetch it from the using the index. So that's why we will using the set, so that we'll get the only unique elements. It will remove 1 6 then, and then it will give you the 4 number 2 3 6 5, and then after that we will convert the set into list. Why? Because we can't do multiple operations on set, uh, so we can't use multiple functions on set, so that's why we'll convert it into set a list. Now we can perform the what, remove operation. A dot remove, I will be removing the maximum of max of this list A. So whatever the max number would be, that I will remove and then I will print the max. So what I did, first I saw use the set. So suppose this is our input array, right? Now what I did, I applied set here. So the output would be 2 3 6 and 5, only 1 6 will contain. Now what is the maximum inside this? 6. So what I am doing, I will remove the max of A right now. So 6 will get removed and then it will left with only 2 3 and 5. And now in the 2 3 and 5 what I want, we will print the max. So it will get printed 5. Print max of A. So that's my logic right now. Let's run the code and see. Okay, so our sample test case has been passed. Now submitted. Okay, so congratulations. We have passed all the test cases. So that's it. This is the only 3 lines I have added and we got the result for the uh, find the runner-up score. So in multiple interviews they ask you like these types of questions. So I hope you got it. We'll see you in the next video then. Thanks for watching.